ahead.
So Tony, what do you think?
Yeah, great. It's really good.
Is that what you expected?
Better than I expected.
And it happened in what? About 4 months?
4 months. A lot quicker than I thought, too.
Yeah. So the teeth that were crooked are now straight, and 6 months smiles helped you to do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's really good.
And now you have an opportunity to see whether you'd like to enhance it more or not.
Well, right now, I'm real happy.
That's great. That's great.
That's really good.
And you had tried some other methods that were not so satisfactory for you, right?
Yeah.
And this was pretty easy, yeah?
Very easy.
And,
No work on me, only on you.
pardon me?
No work on me, only on you.
But we did it. But it went smoothly for you, and it
I'm
came
very
out great.
happy.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Super. Thanks so much.
Thank
So
you.
do I get a hug?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
It's so great. It was nice working with you.
It's nice working with you. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.